بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والحمد لله رب العالمين وأفضل الصلاة وأتم التسليم على محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم. أهنيكم بقدوم شهر رمضان المبارك، واللهم تقبل منا الصيام والقيام وصالح الأعمال. أعزائي الطلبة، أحييكم. أنا المدرس خليل أحمد، مدرس الرياضيات في مدرسة الشيخ بن سلطان. أقدم لكم حل الهيكل القسم الكتابي. بداية راح أبدأ بالسؤال رقم 16. طبعا السؤال رقم 16 مطلوب مني في السؤال حل أنظمة المعادلات الخطية باستخدام قاعدة كرامر. طبعا عندي مجموعة من الأسئلة. طبعا أنا اخترت السؤال رقم 11. طبعا العملية كما ترون جملة المعادلات negative 3x plus y equals 4, 2x plus y equals negative 6. How to solve this? Step 1, you should find what? You should find the coefficient matrix. Coefficient matrix, as you see here, negative 3, 2, 4x. Coefficient of I1, 1. Just then, step 2, find the determinant of A. How to find the determinant of A? This is equal times negative 3 times 1, then minus, don't forget this, minus 2 times 1. 2 times 1. The final answer here, as you see, negative 5. This is the I will call is, طبعا I will call this determinant general determinant. Then determinant of x. How to find determinant of x? I think it is called delta x. Delta x, as you see here in this example, I think remove what? Remove the coefficient of x. This is the coefficient of x, and put it the constant number here. Constant number here, as you see in this, okay, or negative 6. Then 1, 1, coefficient of y is fixed the same. Then in the same way, times 4 times 1 minus 6 times 1, this is equals 4 plus 6, because negative times negative is positive. This is equals 10. Okay, good. In the same way, also find the determinant of y. Determinant of y, okay, also here, as you see, we remove, or we take the constant number here and put it replaced by coefficient of y. Coefficient of y 1, 1, but use the constant number for negative 6. In the same way, negative 3 is negative 6 minus 2 times 4, as you see here. Okay, this is equals, I think, negative times negative, 18 minus 8 equals 10. Everything is ready now. How to find the value of x? Value of x equals delta x over x. Delta x is calculated 10 over minus 5. Minus 5, this is the general determinant. Okay, negative 5. Okay, the answer here, negative 2. Also y, delta y over delta, this is equals 10 over negative 5. This is equal also negative 2. That's it. It's easy to solve. We move now to the next question. I think it's easy for each student if fluid these steps. Steps 1, find the coefficient matrix, then determinant of coefficient matrix, then find determinant of each variable x, delta x and delta y. Then, okay, you can find x by dividing delta x by delta, and also so on, to get the solution of the system of the two equation. Okay, let's move the next question in writing hand department and final exam. We can take also this no, sorry, be in the same example 17, or question 17. Rewrite equation in this form. Rewrite, it's very important point to write equation in this form: ax plus by plus c z equals d. As you see here, like this. Okay, like the last equation. The first one, x plus 2y, but we don't have z. Replace z by 0, z. This is the coefficient of z equals 12. Also here, we don't have x. We can write 0x, coefficient of x 0, plus the 3y, negative 4 is 4z equals 25. And also the last equation here, x plus 6y plus z equals 20. The general determinant here, we can take the coefficient of x 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 6, coefficient of y, also coefficient of z 0, negative 4, 1. We can find this. How to find this? Maybe some students use calculator to find the determinant for this. It's easy to find this if you use calculator. First, clean your calculator, shift 9, 3, double equal, then mod, yes, 6. Okay, we can select the matrix A1, and we have the matrix 3 times 3 rows and 3 columns, as you see here. Okay, this is, we can select one. Okay, then we can insert all the elements row by row, not column by column, row by row, like this. 1 equals 2 equals 0 equals also 0, 3 minus 4, 1, 6, 1. Okay, everything is ready. Put AC for save. Okay, for saving the information or the data in your calculator. Then what we can do, shift 4, okay, 7, shift 4, 7, okay, then shift 4, 3, matrix A. This is the matrix A that I save all the elements inside it. Okay, this is close the brackets. The answer here equals 19, as you see, 19. In the same way, replace coefficient of x, replace coefficient of x here by constant number. Okay, as you see here, this is the constant number, 12, 25, 20, and others elements stay the same, don't change. Okay, in the same way, we can find in your calculator how to find this. Just maybe this is okay. Maybe go to the mode 6, 1, 1 also. Change here, just what change? We can change here, as you see, change, I think, okay, wait, no problem. Okay. Okay, change the first column. 12. Okay, then go down. Here, 25. Okay, go left. This is 20. Okay, is ready. Everything is ready. AC, shift, matrix 4, 7, determinant. Okay, then select shift 4, 3, close to get the answer 114. 114, this is delta x, and the same way delta y. Delta y also repeat the previous steps, as you see here. I think mod 6, okay, 1, 1 also here, replace the first, the second, I think the second column, but you should also back all the elements of x1. Okay, go here 0. Yes. Okay, also here 1, as you see. Then change the element of the second row column because we by constant number 12, 25, 20. Here 12, 25, sorry. Okay. Cancel. I think this is 0, then change. Okay. Sorry. Go here, 25. Yes. Then go down, go left. Here 20. Yes. Then AC. Then shift 4, 7. Then shift 4. I think 3, close to get it 57 delta y. In the same way, find delta z, and here how to find x delta x over x, y delta y over y, z delta z over delta, and this is, it's easy. X equals, I think here, x delta x is 114 over delta 19. Okay, and y here also delta y 57 over 19, z negative 75 over 19, x equals 6, y equals 3, and z equals negative 4. That's it. It's easy. Let's move the next question. Question 15 in final exam. What إيجاد here ناتج الضرب النقطي لمتجهتين واستخدام ناتج الضرب النقطي لإيجاد الزاوية بينهما. إيجاد الزاوية بينهما. Okay, it is easy to solve this question. The dot product of two vectors and use the dot product to find the angle between the two. To use the dot product to find the magnitude of the given magnitude, يعني طول المتجهة vector vector, I think here this is a question 10. M equals negative 311. Okay, how to use the magnitude radical m times m. This is negative 311. How to also here, just to give you the I think the magnitude formula. This is equals, I think, x squared plus y squared. This is x and this is y. It is easy now to solve this. Now magnitude maybe in this way. This is equals, I think, negative 3 square plus 11 square. The answer radical 130. Radical 130. It's easy. Okay. Let's move. How to find here the angle? Sorry, in this question 15, maybe find the angle between and use the dot product to find the angle between. Okay, this is, I think, another question. Okay, here the angle between the vector and itself, I think 0. Okay, here and the question 14 تمثيل وإجراء العمليات على المتجهات في المستوى الإحداثي. Represent and operate with vectors in the coordinate plane. As you see here, I select question 1. Question 1. I think question 1 As you see here, this is equation 1. Okay. A, this is initial point. This is terminal point. Be careful about this because the vector from A to B, okay, this is A, this is B, okay, as you see here. Yes. This is the coordinate -3, 1, 4, 5. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. The formula x2 minus x1, y2 minus 4. This is x1, 4. Yes, minus 3. So we have minus, okay, and minus in formula. 5. This is y2 minus y1, 5 minus 1. As you see, this is equal 7, 4. The question comes in final exam, like multiple choice. I think maybe this is like this. I think this is a question multiple choice we can use. And also the same here in this question. We have question 9, select half -9, B6, 5 of 2, the same. In the same way, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1. 6 minus half. Okay, 6 minus half. Here 5 over 2 minus 9. The answer over 11. So this is 11 over 2 and 23 over 2. That's it. It's easy. Okay, maybe question 13. I think you should go question 16. I solve it. Question yes, question 17. I think okay. Question 18. كويس. Question 17. Question 17. This is this question. This is the equation. Maybe asking you what the coordinate of vertices and co-vertices and focus, coordinate of foci F1 and F2, and the equation of asymptotes. All these question, maybe not all this comes together, maybe just asking vertices and co-vertices or foci, and be careful about the equation of asymptote. Here in this equation, the equation is given in the question: y plus 5 square over 16 minus x plus 2 square over 36 equals 1. Step 1, you should determine the direction. What the direction of this the equation, this is, as you see, this is minus. This is hyperbola. The hyperbola is then hyperbola. Okay. This is the equation of hyperbola. What the direction of the hyperbola? Vertical. How to find the vertical? Because here, as you see, the y comes first. Here y equals y plus 5 over. Okay. Vertical, I think the first coordinate x don't change, the same. This is the same, h. The changes on vertical axis, the y-axis. This is vertices related to A plus A minus A, but co-vertices related to B. H plus B, H minus B. Be careful about this. But the foci F1 and F2, okay, related to C, K plus C, K minus C. I think, be careful, this is vertical. What does mean that? Vertical, when I say vertical, this is the direction of the hyperbola. Okay, if here this is the center H and K, okay, good. Here V1, here V2, also this is okay, if yes, F1 and also here F2 on the same line, Okay, this is F1 H K plus A. This is the from here to here A. Also from here to the here to A. Be careful about this. Also, as you see here, from the center to F1, this is C, but also from here to here to C. Okay, be careful about this. Also here, H, K minus A, and F1, H, K plus C, F2, H, K minus C. That's it. Okay, everything is ready. This is H, this is H. H equals -5. Okay, no, K, this is because Y, but H here, H equal -2. As you see, everything is ready, is good. This is H, and this is also K. How to find A? A, this is A. This is A, the first. Okay, A square 16, but A radical of 16 equals 4. And B, this is B. Okay, B equals radical 36 equals 6, as you see here. Good. Now everything we can write here. H, -2, K, -5, plus A, plus 4. Here, if V2, -2H, K, -5 minus 4. Okay, the same, that's easy. It's easy to find the final answer. I think here, -2, -1, and here -2, -9. It's easy. In the same way, H plus P, K, P, 6, H, -2 plus 6, here -2 minus 6, because this is the x-axis, the change on x-axis for the co-vertices. That's it. And F1 in the same, just replace K -5 plus 2 radical 13. C equals, how to find C? I think maybe someone asking me how to find C. C here equals, I think because hyperbola A square, sorry, okay. C equals radical A square plus B square. This is radical what? 16 plus 36 is equal to radical 13, as you see up. That's it. It's easy. Okay. Everything is ready now to find all the elements. Okay. The big important point here, how to find the equation of asymptote. Equation of asymptote, look here. What who is coming? The first y. What under the y? This is a up. This is the equation. This is vertical. X equals plus minus a over b. Be careful as you see here. A over b, because a under the y. What the number under the y is the up. Okay, this big important point. If here, this is a up. And another equation of, for example, just x plus 2 square minus y plus 5 square. This is over 16 or 64 over maybe 25 equals 1. This is another equation, for example, just to explain how to distinguish between the equation. This is the hyperbola is horizontal. The horizontal, this is y equal minus plus. What here comes? This is a. This is yes. This is a. This is equals a of no. This is equals. This is b. This is b squared. B equals 5. Here a equals 8. Okay. P over the number. What is the number under y coming up? P over a. This is, be careful. Here the number under y who is coming or a. This is a up. But here b under b up. Be careful about this point. That's it. Everything is y minus k plus h. Just substitute here. You should keep your formulas in your mind to understand and distinguish between the equations for the substitute. Okay, it's very important. Okay, this is just substitute a 4 over 6y minus 5 minus 2h. This is the equation 2 over 3y plus 1. That's it. It's easy. Also, let's move to the next question, next example here, as you see. Question 17. Write the equation for each parabola described below, then graph the equation. Question 9. I will select question 9 as you see here. In a question 9, I think vertex 0,2 and focus 0,4. Good. This is x and this is x. Don't change. The changes happen on y-axis. This refers to the direction of the parabola is vertical, because this is, as you see, vertex here, the y of vertex, the y of focus for change, but x is going to fix the same, don't change. The changes on y-axis, the vertical or direction of parabola vertical. That's good. Okay. Okay, that's good. This is h and k, focus 0,4. We can write how to find the equation. This is the general formula for the parabola. Y equals a x minus h squared plus k. Good. And f equals h k plus 1 over a equals, I think here, focus 4,0,4. 0,4. Just substitute This is how to find h and how to find k. H, the same, didn't change. H 0. Okay, but k equals 2. Yes. Equals 2. Yes. As you see here, 0, 2. Okay. We can find the focus inside this is focus inside the parabola. This is 2, this is 4. Okay. Everything is ready. To find A, we need to determine H and K and HK and A to write the equation of parabola. Already here, H0, K2. It's easy. We need to determine A. K plus 1 over A equals 4. This is equation. Maybe you can use shift solve to find this to get the answer, I think. Here, 1 over A equals 2, 1 over 8 equals 1, or maybe A equals 1 over 8. Finally, just substitute in this equation. Okay, 1 over A, x minus 0 squared plus K is 2. This is the final answer. This is the final answer. Okay, good. Okay. Let's move to the next question. Also, this question becomes question 10. How to solve question 10? Vertex -2, 4, directrix x equals -1. It is now the directrix back of the vertex, back of vertex. As you see, this is -2, this is -1. Okay, maybe this is, I explained this to understand. This is x-axis. Okay, where is -2? -2 here. Where is -1? -1 here. This is directrix. Okay, that's mean directrix is always back of the parabola. Parabola, I think this is the vertex is in the parabola. Okay, concave to left. That's it. It's easy. Now everything is ready. Right here, directrix horizontal, the direction of parabola. The equation x equals ay minus k squared plus h. Okay, good. The change on x axis, this is -2, -1, but y is fixed. K equals 4 here. It's because didn't change on y axis. Okay, good. Now everything, this is -2h, while k equals 4 is given in the question. HK. Okay, everything is ready. We need just determine what is the value of A. We can use the equation of directrix. Directrix here x equals -1. And this is h minus 1 over 4a. Just substitute -1, h -2, -1 over a. Maybe some student, we cannot use calculator here. Shift 9, clean your calculator, maybe write -1 equals -2. I can't. Okay. What happened? Okay, I think shift solve, then shift solve to find this because cannot move the calculator. Maybe. Okay. That's it. To get it, the answer A equals A minus 1 over 4. Well, that's good because this give us the direction is for left, not right. Okay, that's fantastic. Okay, let's move the next question. I think question 11. This is 11. Each question, if different, has a different idea. Question 9, vertex and focus. Question 10, vertex and directrix. But question 11, focus and directrix. Okay, be careful, the same, I think. The same way here, if look, focus 3, 2, but direct y equals 8, the change on y. Okay, here 2 and y equals 8. This is the direction of this parabola on vertical, up or down, we don't know. Then we determine if up or down. Okay, I explain how to find this. This is the vertical axis. Okay, the focus to, this is here 0, this is 2 here. This is focus. Okay, but focus, I think, inside the parabola, but directs back. Okay, back 8. Where is 8? This is 8 here. This is 8. This is back. That's mean the parabola maybe go down. Go down. Yes. Up and down. That's mean to give us how the forms of the general formula for in this way, a x minus h squared plus k. This is the general formula for this direction. H equals 3, didn't change because the change on y-axis, not in x-axis, as you see here. Everything h equals 3. Okay, we need k. K, how to find k? From the focus. The focus here, h, k plus 1 over a. Y for focus equals 2. This is 2, as you see here. This is equals k plus 1 over 4a. This is y equals, also this is another equation from directrix here, y equals 8. The equation k minus 1 over a. We can add the equation 1 and 2 together to remove 1 over a. 1 over a minus 1 over a equals 0. K plus equals 2k. 2 times 8, 10. 10 equals 2k. Divide both sides by 2 to get it k equals 5. It's good. Now we can find what? We can find the value of a. Just substitute k in one of the two equation. As you see, a equals -1 over 12. Shift solve, we can use shift solve here to find this. This is h equals 3k equals 5. Everything is ready. Just substitute in general formula. Y equal -1. So this is refer to down, up and down. Yes, it's good. X minus 3 squared plus 5. That's it. It's the final answer. Let's move the, I think, the next question in handwriting part. I think go question 18. Question 18, graph each hyperbola. Identify the vertices, foci, and asymptotes. Okay, the equation is given, but maybe ask you to identify vertices, foci, and asymptotes. Let's select, start to select question 18. Question 18, as you see, x minus 3 squared over 16 minus y plus 1 squared over 4 equals 1. Okay, I think here h equals 3, as you see, while k equals negative. -1. Good. Also here A equals radical 16 equals 4, B radical 4 equals 2. This is A and B and H and K, all these values determinant from the equation. The horizontal direction, because the X comes first, this is the horizontal direction. Okay, the change on X-axis. Okay, if V1 and V2 related to A plus A minus A, K fixed, didn't change. Just substitute here. H3, 3 plus 4, 3 minus 4 here, -1 fixed, not change. The answer 7 minus 1, -1, -1, it's easy. And also here, co-vertices, as you see, co-V1, co-V2, related to B on y-axis, K plus B, K minus B, K minus 1 plus 2A, B, sorry, B2. That's it. The answer here is 3, 1, 3 minus 3. For C, F1 and F2 related to C. H plus C, H minus C, it's easy. 3 plus C, how to find C? This is the C. Radical A square plus B square. 4 square plus 2 square, this is radical 20, equals to radical 5. Just substitute here. H minus H plus C, this is 3 plus 2 radical 5, 3 minus 2 radical 5. K is constant, -1, -1 is the same. Here, the accepted equation, I think what is the number under Y is up. Here P is up because the number of Y is B, and under Y is B, B up, then A down. Okay, that's very big important for each student to know, because some student maybe write A over B, or that. How to determine this exactly? Look to Y in the equation. The number, yes, what is the number of a radical of the number B? Here B. What B equals to? Radical 4 equals to B over A. This is the equation. Okay, that's it. Yes, the equation here 2 over 4. X minus 3 minus 1, just substitute the values of A and B, H and K. That's it. It's easy to solve this question. Yes, question 19 in handwriting part. I think question 19. Find a unit vector U with the same direction as V. How to find this? This is the formula. This is the unit vector. The formula to find unit vector. U equals 1 magnitude V times V. That's it. Question 20. V -2, 7. Okay, step 1, find magnitude V. Magnitude V, as you see, this is magnitude V equals, I think, X squared plus Y squared. This is X and this is Y. The same, this is equals -2 square plus 7 square. The answer, radical 53. Okay, it's easy. Okay, to solve, just substitute now 1 over magnitude V times V, 1 over radical 53 times E, then times distribute the scalar times the Y and times X and Y. Here -2 times 1 of radical 53 equals -2 over radical 53. Also here 7 of radical, that's it. We can write a combination here. Y equals -2 of radical 53I plus 7 of radical 53J. That's it. Okay, let's move the next question. The last question in hand, right part. Okay, question, I think, in the same way. How to find the angle cosine theta here, this is equal u times v, or u dot v over magnitude u times magnitude v. Here, u and v in the equation, in the question, sorry. U dot v equals, this is u dot v equals, I think, x1 times x2 plus y1 times 2. This is x1, y1. Okay, this is x2, y2. x1, x2, -1 times -7, plus y1 times y2, y1 -3 times -3 also. Negative, positive, times 7, negative times negative, positive times positive, plus 9 equals 16. Okay, magnitude of E, magnitude of U equals, I think, x1 square plus y1 square. Also magnitude V equals radical x2 square plus y2 square. That's it. This is y1 square, -1 square plus -3 square equals radical 10, and also -7 square plus -3 square. This is equal radical 50. Everything is ready. We can substitute in general formula to find the angle between the two vectors. Cosine theta, as you see here, this is equal 16 over radical 10, radical 58. You can use calculator. How to use calculator to find this? I think, okay, just cosine, shift cosine, then fraction 16 over radical 10, yes, so there, times radical 58, then close the brackets. Okay, the answer equals 48.4 after approximation. Okay, that's it. This is the answer. Okay, let's move that last question in the same way to find the angle. This is a question إيجاد ناتج ضرب. That's easy. Okay, I think I will stop here. That's enough for this. Is I solved all the questions that related to the handwrite part. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your efforts that do to prepare for the final exam. I think, inshallah, will be successful in this final exam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.